Hello friends, today I am going to draw the structure of plant cell. Let's start. Before drawing the full structure, we have to practice some parts of it. First of all, I am going to practice the structure of mitochondria. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon. Drawing the inner folds of mitochondria. Now I am practicing the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Dots on rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now practicing the structure of Golgi apparatus and lysosome. Now practicing for cell wall. Practice as much as you can. Now the fair work. Drawing a rough heptagon. Then outlining some areas darker. Now I am drawing cell wall. Vacuole. A rough circle for nucleus. Now drawing endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus and lysosome. Now drawing mitochondria. Plastid. Now finally drawing some ribosomes and lysosomes. Structure of plant cell is ready. You can also shade and outline. Thank you for watching.